Do you know how to create a great presentation? A killer presentation that will amaze your audience? In this video, I'm going to share to you what are the 3 characteristics of an amazing presentation. Hi guys, thank you for watching. My name is Muhammad Noer. I'm the writer of Killer Presentation, a book explaining about how to create and deliver a great presentation. Talking about presentations, there are 3 things that you need to prepare in order to create an amazing presentation. What are they? The first one, you need to have a great content. Content is king. Content is the soul of your presentation. Make sure you really know who is your audience. You know what they want to hear from your presentation. And make sure your content is well structured. It has a story, it has a good structure to help people to understand what is your point, what you're going to convey in your message. The second, once you have a great and structured content, you need to design that content into a powerful slide. So you need to create a good slide, which is a simple slide. It has a visual, and the slide is able to communicate in terms of visual representation of what you are going to say. So you need to know how to create a good image, how to incorporate image into your slide, how to use the right chart, how to use a diagram, and everything. Those are the skills in visualizing your idea. Lastly, once you have a great content, great design, then you need to have a great delivery. In terms of delivery, you need to know how to open your presentation, how to make it interesting, how to get the audience interest at the beginning. And then you also have to know how to close it, how to make a summary of your presentation, how to project your voice, and how to use your gesture, your body language, because all of that will also project some message to your audience. So guys, 3 things that you need to know if you want to create an amazing presentation, a killer presentation for your audience. Make sure you have a great content, great design, and then great delivery. I'm sure once you have those 3 things in place, then you will have a great presentation. Thank you for watching. My name is Muhammad Noer. I'm the writer of Killer Presentation. You can download my book for free. Just look at from the description of this video. Thank you so much and see you in another video.